So as you can tell, we've been busy. We started with building this 3/4 season room back last summer. And now this summer we added the LP Smart Side lap siding, 8-inch lap siding to the house to match it up. And we will add it next year to the garage. This week we finished up with the roofs. We put brand new shingles on, and it was quite a project as we tore into the roof and found all kinds of interesting cobble jobs from the past. And so we now have everything structurally straightened out and sound. We've got a little dip in the roof, but on all of these cabins up north, you tend to have that. I call them 4-barrel cabins. They were built on a Saturday afternoon, and 4 barrels of beer were involved, and you got a bunch of friends together and slapped it up. So there's not a whole lot up in these Northwoods cabins that's square. This, of course, is done the way it should be done, the 4-season room. And now we're going to move to the inside for the winter. We're into November here in northern Wisconsin. We were lucky. We had an 8-inch snowfall the other day, and we're able to get that melted off. And we finished, like I said, shingling the garage roof yesterday about 4 p.m.